My name is Sirome Wado Bobby, MC R&B, and that last jam when you enjoyed just now was actually released around November last year, if I did correct. Yes, Dirty December by the one and only Ola Divs. And as I tell now earlier on, we get the one and only rapper, hip-hop artist. I don't know if he go also refer to himself as an Afrobeat musician. The one and only Ola Divs for the building. Ogun State born, right? Yeah, welcome, my brother. How about you now?
Bro? I go even greet you because we don't
we'll be family on the number.
I say
we don't take way back. I think the first time when we meet now, when I moved from Benin to Ibadan, was it 2017 or 2018?
Yeah.
I think around that time.
Yeah.
And as we meet for Ibadan, the whole close and just kickstart. You get me? You know the love. Then even when I moved to Lagos, the love still continue. We do a couple of records together during the lockdown. When they not let me release because music business not easy. I think that you and Organ Network did that my record.
Yeah, Organ Network.
I remember when I call you say I want to do songs. You say I get where I go, but don't worry, I will very short studio first. You they come instantly, you drive, come and you bust in, and even before then I get love and I still get love for you. Waka Courage now, big shout out, and I don't see your growth too and success.
Thank you.
Congrats. First of all, congrats on your. I don't know if it did okay to say fifth body of work. Is that or third body of work? If you want to talk, if you want, no one the rest mixtape genre, right?
Yeah.
This one are the number one album.
This is my first album.
First official album, but you don't drop EP.
Yeah, I don't
before
drop
now.
EP before. Yeah.
Last week was it last year you dropped Ajala?
Ajala Travel. Yeah.
Travel, right? Last year.
Yeah.
Then before that one you drop. Wait. I try to remember.
It was after Ajala that I did Broke Boy EP.
Okay, yeah, Broke Boy EP. Yeah. So if you want to calculate your body of work right now, which number will put on top?
Like three.
Three official body of work.
Yeah.
On your own when you don't drop.
Yeah.
You know they include record label on genre.
No. I didn't have a body of work with
record label. But you draw a couple of singles when be trained.
Yeah.
So at no point at the time when you did on that Reminisce record label you drop body of work.
No. I didn't have any.
How long that record label would be last? The D.
It was for 5 years, but I didn't complete the years.
The years.
I think I was on almost 4 years
before you can come out.
Yeah, before I come out.
Because whether you like or not, you know, guy want to discuss about Ladis when we don't go talk about
of course
that record label because he introduced you, give us, and kind of like the outcome of how that detail end kind of like shape the narrative when so many Nigerians get about you or Ladis, and I think that's do affect you emotionally in some way.
Of course.
Yeah. Why they talk this now? Because I know you personally, and I know some other few artists when we say the moment they get issue with their record label and they go out, you get the same one we get for Africa when they say never bite the hand that feeds you. That's mentality when we get, or that same one we get, they always make us feel say now the artists get problem. Instead we automatically support the record label without giving chance for the artists. And I know how many artists they struggle once they come off Lagos to stand on their own.
Yeah, of course.
And I know say within few years you experience that. How you take fight through those arrangements, take fall back?
What happen be say even the fight itself it still continues. Not be even say it don't end like that. Do you understand? I'm not going to pretend like it didn't affect me.
Yeah.
Do you understand? It's easy for me to say nothing's up, but I did okay and all that. Do you understand? But I'm not going to pretend forever like okay, as I come on record label, it not affect me. Now lie, it did. Sure you get. But me right now, I just want to settle things. You understand? Like personally, I don't reach out to Reminisce. I don't send people to them. Do you understand? Like I just want us to just.
You don't reach out. Has there been a response?
No, not yet.
Not yet.
Yeah.
But you know, the last time when you come on our studio now, based on this same whole arrangement, when you feel say you did black, how did you talk about? Blacklisted. Because you leave your record label, almost all media has stop to the play your song. It says few individuals when they get real love for you. You really feel say is they capable of something like that? I've been adjust the nyas when I talk earlier on Maker.
So I feel like him personally, I don't think he would pick up his phone and say, don't play
Oladip song.
The Oladip song, do you understand? I just feel like you just get some people who say everybody get their own loyalists. Me too, I get my own people too. Maybe say if you mess with me, automatically they don't get problem with you. So you understand? So I understand how it works, how the industry works, or life works, because obviously everybody get their own people. No matter what they do, they no fit fuck up for their eyes.
Hey, no F word. Sorry about that.
So they no fit mess up.
Yeah,
so
mess
you
up.
get their hair for their eyes.
Side.
So
okay.
I feel like you get some kind of people who be say they just run my level, say you don't mess up.
They can't blacklist
without
you.
knowing my own side of the story. So now so it be everybody get people like that. Me say if I get my own people, we say if you mess with all of this, they no send you again. With that. So,
they go add you join their own blacklist.
But most important thing now be say me, I just want to be good with everyone. I'm in that space right now. I'm not fighting or carrying grudges up and down. I'm not angry anymore.
So why you feel say Reminisce never give you a response, or top you're reaching out trying to just amend the bridge when they broken from you leaving his label?
Honestly, I don't know.
You don't send senior men go?
Yeah, of course. I sent some of his friends too. I called his PA as well. That one is my guy too. So, but I don't know. I don't know why. Maybe there's something that even me. I was telling one of his friends recently that if there's anything that he wants me to do, like even if not to go, I don't go live. I don't do everything. Like if I need to make a video and even post on the video, do you understand? Like I'm ready to like do anything. I just don't want to have any issue with anybody anymore. Like I don't mind anything that he
doing
wants
anything
to do
just to please and so that
like
good terms.
Mo just did good terms. Sure you get. Like I'm in that space right now. I'm not mad, I'm not angry, I'm not fighting anymore. Like I just want peace.
So is this the reborn? Is this the
version?
The reborn for like this?
Exactly. Like
so unlike before when you complete the coaching every moment.
Before I did para, they come from, but even when I did para, it was coming from my heart. Like all these things where I did talk, I did feel them.
You feel the pain.
Do you understand? Like it's not like I was making things up.
Okay.
These things they happen, like they happen. That's why I put it into my music. Yeah, all my songs. I don't just write songs. It always comes from a personal place for me. Do you understand? So right now, I feel like okay, this is a different me entirely. I'm not in that space anymore. I'm not mad. I'm not angry anymore.
Okay.
I just want peace.
Okay. A lot of people now talking about the reborn Oladis.
Yeah.
Go one get clarification. I know a couple of days ago, I think you did a live. They try one explain what really transpired a few weeks back. Because 2 days before the release of Superhero Adugbo album, your debut album, news start to the waka around. Say, Oladis don't pay. Even for your official Instagram handle, a statement was released by your management. Prior to that, a video trail when you they talk to one of your guys, where you go since, So people take that as clat. Say, hey, wait till they happen at clat. They're not going to pay attention. Then they break. Now we see the official statement say, Oladis don't Beth, you get me. As a friend and somebody when don't know you, I not agree say you don't die. I know if we talk about, I think on Wednesday, Thursday, until Friday, when I notice nothing they happen. Now I can't speak of her. Even as I speak on people, when they listen that they go clearly remember, I thought, say, deep down my heart, I no one believe say Oladis don't go. It's not possible, but in case of saying so it be my sympathy and condolences to the family. And a lot of other Nigerians also do the same thing when I do. Now that's a Friday evening offer. Now one of your friend. I don't know if it's your friend, if you consider as a friend, what's his name? Q dot, I mean, come make a post, say, Oladis they are alive. He just finished to the chop turkey and chicken right now. Now my colleague come with me, say, see your guy. See him. So first of all, I want to understand, because this is not clarification, waiting really happen. Because you know why we need to clarify, and this is not the first time something like this they happen. An artist way back don't do something like this when they return back. And I know how long it take for Nigeria to accept and back until they can't drop song. I don't want to make mention of it. You know who I'm talking about. So waiting really happened. Was it real or was it a PRO stunt to push your album?
It was not a PR stunt. That's the funniest thing. Everyone thought I put a stunt because of I want to drop album. Say maybe because the album dropped like maybe a day or two after that thing happened. But some people don't understand. Say you cannot even release a project like that. Like if you want to release, let's say you want to release your album on November 30. You go down submit them
way back
November 1st. You go down date them down. So whether you there alive or you cry or anything, that album will still drop on that date where you release.
When you put.
Do you understand? So about the whole post and like from my story, I was going through stuff. Like everybody knows. See, bro, most of the people where they attack me or where they drag me are people who say they don't really know me. If you notice, my core followers, they are not angry because they know they would defend me because they know the kind of person I am, that I would not play with people's emotions like that. I was actually dying, bro. I almost died. That was what happened.
Okay, when you say you almost died, we fit get clarification because an official statement was, that means somebody close to you confirms that at a point you bef. Then they can't release statement. Then a few days later, we hear there's a video which they worry me where you got cut your hair. I can't see. I think your mom, right?
Yeah, my mom. My mom did.
So what thing happened really? What be that within those days when Nigeria take the shout, hey, Oladi Zongo, RIP everywhere? What thing really occur?
So I'm not going to pretend like the fault did not come from me because obviously someone posted on my page to confirm it. Yeah. And him matter, I still there on him right now.
That person there with you that time?
Yeah, like in day with me.
Okay.
Do you understand? So they said, because that night I was making a video. The last thing that I remember that I posted was, please take me to the hospital. You understand? Because I know they even sick. I know they go hospital. But that night, I knew something was wrong. Okay. I'm not the kind of person that would say take me to hospital on a normal day. Like that was why I was posting everything. Just thinking, I don't know what's happening. Do you understand? Okay. I mean, I knew what was happening, but as at that point, I just needed a better hand to undo my situation. That was why I said, take me to hospital.
You ever reach hospital? Because that same guy when he drive you, say, your mama say, make bring you call house, make you not go hospital.
Yeah, so I no reach hospital. So they said I was unconscious. So they slapped my face, they beat they slapped me for chest.
For chest, okay.
Say I was not responding. So in their mind, they thought I was dead.
So the death statement when they release, not be say hospital confirm your death. No, now just they assume because you're not responding to all their hit. Okay.
Yeah. It came from an in-house. So I'm not going to lie like it came from an in-house that thought I was actually dead because after they dropped me. Yeah. Because my mom made sure that don't carry my son to the hospital. So many things they happen online. Do you understand?
Okay.
Do you understand? My mama now person be say she knows send internet. Like she's not even on Instagram. I'm from a very behind. Do you understand? Like behind the scene kind of family. I'm the first generation entertainer in my family. Like my mom's side, my dad's side. Nobody be musician or actor or anything. Me, I'm the first one ever.
Okay.
In my bloodline.
Okay.
Do you understand? So to understand the kind of family that I am from, my family would not come online. Even if, bro, make I bust your head. Even if I actually died, I promise you that people probably would not see it online. They would just bury me normal. Trust me. My mom will not come online and make a video that help me, can you call Nigerians, can you call where? Okay. How?
Okay.
How?
So at what point right now, because I just try to follow your story, your friends can carry you research based on your Mercy directive, then leave you for there, right?
My mom told them to go back. Like go back. Nobody hear anything from my mom after
for how many days? And at what point you can't wake up? When you can't day when you come back from your they say you felt day conscious, you were not responding. At what point? How long it take for you to get yourself back?
Like after 2-3 days.
You not go hospital, they not carry go hospital, you dey house.
I go hospital, but not be the regular
hospital.
Do you understand? What I'm saying?
Okay.
They not take me to hospital where everybody they use. Me, I be billed properly. Do you understand? I be
you mean traditional doing?
Yeah, exactly, bro. Do you understand what I'm saying? I'm not going to pretend like I be billed. Everybody know that.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, of course.
So that's you saying some traditional rite was performed.
Of course.
100%. To bring you back to life, and it took 3 days.
Something like that.
And none of your thing at that point because that I did try to calculate the time. Within that 3 days, people don't drop RYP, don't they worry because not long ago we lost somebody. Yeah. Mohbad, which also who they very close to you and even speak about even before your own news base bust out. So at what point nobody from your team say, oh, we don't hear say Oladize Mokwe post by ourselves instead of your friend when you nobody give go ahead to.
My mama no follow anybody talk anything.
Okay.
My mama, like I said, the kind of family that I'm from, even my elder brother with the Instagram. If you check my elder brother's page, maybe now 2020 he don't post last. That's my blood brother.
Okay.
You understand? That's the kind of house that I'm from. Like me, I'm the only celebrity there.
Okay.
Do you understand? I'm the only, but for my house, I no be celebrity. I be normal picking for my mama and don't forget that.
Okay.
I be normal picking. I be last born of my mama, so I'm not all that deeps when I'm in my family's house. I'm just Olabody. My mom calls me or call me Adisa. She doesn't call me Dips. Or maybe when we are outside in front of everyone, she can say Dips. But normally, my mom calls me or call me
I know so you did very
you know.
close to your man.
Do you understand what I'm
your
saying?
late father, when you lost this, earlier this year, was it January or February?
My dad
February.
died in February.
Yeah, and I know how that also played
So
with your
someone that
mental
just
state.
lost her husband, my father. You expect
May lose son
Bro,
again.
no.
So you dey try to say, because they try come to the end point, they try to say your man go as far as possible to bring you back to life by any means.
100%.
So I want to know, within those days when we say the whole world feel say all that this don't go, because with the history where somebody passed on, not be today, somebody passed after 3 days or 4 days, he come back, then you come share your experience. At any point you remember waiting they go on for your life at that time when the whole world say you don't pay, or when you did conscious.
Me, I didn't even know what was going on.
No.
My phone was not even with me.
Okay.
You understand? I didn't even know until like days later.
Okay.
When I started actually getting better, my brother was showing me stuff. My brother was
Online.
showing me stuff online, like see this
See
person,
wetin dey happen,
this
see this
one.
wetin.
All those Q dots. all
So how
those-
Q dot no say you dey alive? Who tell her?
I promise you that Q dot was chasing clouds,
So in your conclude.
bro. That's just how funny.
Because at the time when I post that thing, if I want to go by your calculation, and you never even wake up, your man see they will count up your matter.
I even posted on my story about it. That I tagged him
Okay.
so that you go no say, guy, why you go post this kind of thing? When be say,
So
the
how come
last-
somebody when not dey close to you go come dey post such
you
thing?
understand? Like the last time that we had any conversation was
Yeah.
like a year ago. Why are you posting like? Even Zlatan, that is like my best friend,
Yeah.
did not post anything like that.
But
Even
Zanata,
Zlatan
they
did
are
not-
aware
that
of what
even-
they've gone with
that's
you.
That even Zlatan don't know what was going on. He was sending my brother. My brother showed me everything. Like, my other brother will say,
Yeah.
"An electrician."
Yeah.
Do you understand?
Okay.
Like that's the kind of place
Family
that
you
I'm
come
from. My other brother an electrician. So how do you expect him? What do you
To the
expect him to
reply.
say? He doesn't know anything about the internet or music or. Do you understand? All the message just did there. He did not open the DM. He saw that stand DM. Everybody's DM. Wait till you want to tell them.
Tell them.
He even posted one time. My brother posted on his page that all of this management, please return my brother's phone. Return his car key. Return his ATM. Return his this.
Okay.
People started attacking him. That all this next of kin, your brother
They don't
just
dey
died.
carry
Na
them.
property, but they don't understand
Him
what
do
was
this
going
one
on.
after you don't wake up, abi before you wake up.
I don't even know.
No. Okay.
I don't know.
So just for clarification's
Yeah.
sake, the whole news of you passing on not be clutches to take
Yeah.
push your album.
Yeah.
Because even at that point, really, your
Yeah.
album, I think number.
Yeah.
It went as far as number 20 something for Apple Music, and everything I see the pop.
Yeah.
Some of your singles start to the trend
Yeah.
online.
Yeah.
So not be clutches, not be in B.
Why
Everything
would
really
I
happened.
see? If they talk about this thing like
Yeah.
yeah. So easy. Like bro, more forget say I be Ola Dips.
Yeah.
More talk about my own family where I'm
Family
from.
come
I want do death prank. Do you know how many people it would affect? Do you know how many people where I they feed? Do you understand what I'm saying? Like I want. You talk like saying now so that's easy to. Easy like that now. Forget say Ola Dip say people sabi me. Like my own family inko, how would they feel? How affected do you think it would be?
You go
Like
tell the news go
I
take
get my
some
man and my dad just died this February.
Very young.
I get sisters, I get brother, I get pikin. You understand what I'm saying? So I go just prank everybody.
Those kind of people plus your fans. Okay.
No.
Okay. So they reborn Oladiv right now.
Yeah.
What will be the difference between Oladiv of before and the Oladiv of now?
Man, I actually gained consciousness to a lot of things.
Okay.
That changed. I feel like it changed my perspective and changed my. Even though I knew some of these things before,
Yeah.
but
It
it just
can't
kind of
clearer.
like it did clearer. Do you understand?
Okay.
So right now I feel like this Dips is at peace.
Okay.
You understand? Like it's a blessing to see these things. Some people like say, if you die, Kiniko, we not wish you right.
You get some people when
But I'm
see
dead now. How would I even know? Who cares? Do you understand? Like, if anything happened to me now, God forbid, like, I don't go. You don't wish me RIP. Am I going to say thank you from
heaven? Certainly
Do you
not.
understand?
Okay. So
Somehow
that's you saying you don't care to the other to the guys when they feel say they don't wish you RIP, so they don't
Yeah,
wish you
like,
RIP
it
again.
doesn't
Matter to
because
you.
I'm dead. You understand? Nobody even know who they go first at the end of the day. You will die and then you will shaking it. You unko. Who will not die eventually? Everybody will die.
Okay.
You understand? Everybody will die eventually. So
Okay.
it's not something that you can use to scare me. because all of us they pay that price.
Last.
And nobody they even know who they go first.
Who they go
Me, I
first?
feel even reach 150 eventually. Who knows?
Okay.
Yeah.
So also right now, the album they do pretty well. Currently, based on your debut, I'm talking about your debut album right now, and your fans too. I they see your post. I think your real core fans not really send with the album. I they see all the
That's
posts
what
when
I'm
they
saying,
make.
because they know the kind of person I am. If you they follow my career has always been a journey. Do you understand? If you are a follower, a disciple, if you are a disciple, you would know that Dips would not play like this. Now people will not know me, and I understand it's fine. I take full responsibility. It came from an in-house, obviously.
But so you don't tender like an official apology to those when kind of like they offended by the news.
Yeah, like bro, I've not actually done any. Like I feel like this is
not the first official interview they do.
Because I was trying to process a lot of things. Like plenty things don't happen. Even the ones we be saying internet people don't even know. I they fight, like I they do fumigation right now in my personal space. Do you understand? So I was not actually ready. Do you understand? Like I wanted to do some kind of cleaning first before I could come.
Because instead of official apology, you can see the drag Tunde. You they complain of then you call it tackle and apologize to
everything before. Okay. This is my apology.
So if we get our apology right now, official apology.
Of course.
Oh yeah, now over to you, sharp. More get on that. More get on officially.
So, how should I put it? Like
any way you put her, me Nigeria just at least you don't paint the picture of what it really transpire.
Yeah. So to Nigerians and to my disciples, my core followers, like I would never play with people's emotions like that. Like it was never a prank. I was sick. Like I was sick. You understand? Okay. I'm really sorry for the confusion and the distress and the false alarm and everything. I take full responsibility.
Oh, fine.
And from now on, it will I will make sure that I'm surrounded by professionals, because I feel like that is where the problem started from. Me, I've experienced a lot of things. Maybe say manager they chop my money, they wish me dead. Like
I remember the manager issue.
Do you understand? I've experienced a lot of things. So it got to a point where I didn't even have manager again. Like it was just me and my boys, me and my guys, just the run things. So I feel like that is where the problem started from. So right now I'm just trying to
maybe the fumigation.
Do you understand? Like that's the fumigation that I'm doing. Select the right people. Make sure they are professionals that know the right thing.
Not be person when you go see say because you not shake, you don't confirm you there when not be doctor.
Because you didn't hear from my mom, you feel like this guy don't go. You understand? Okay. But if he was a professional person, that's why I said I take full responsibility, because that is from me. Okay. You understand? If he was a professional, he would not do that.
Do such.
He would not.
Okay.
So I'm really sorry. You can forgive me, I beg.
Official apology, and over to you Nigerians right now. 17-track album.
Yeah.
Ole you. Why?
There's one feature in there.
Which feature? Which one?
There's Trod.
Oh yeah, T-Rod, right? Trod.
That's Da Green's younger brother.
Yeah. Now that one you feature on top. Yeah. Why? Out of 17 songs.
Because that was the only person that came through now. Do you understand?
The other people not come through. You reach out to them, say they part of my debut album and they not come through.
But they posted RIP.
Hold on. I want to understand something.
They posted RIP now.
How long it take you to work on this album?
Like I said, this album of my life. Like I've been on this album since I think it was after I left record label.
So over
like
2019, over 4 years.
20, yeah, like
close to 4 years. Yeah. And throughout this period, people when reach out to say more do collabo together, they not agree come true.
No. That's why they carry my chorus myself, carry my hook myself, did my rap myself.
You feel any reason why they decline that particular element to work with you?
I don't know.
Because this night before this news of you passing on happened.
No. I don't know, like everybody they busy or something. So I'm not angry, I'm not mad at anything. Now why that Q.in pay me? Because
you also reach out to her?
He was supposed to give me a verse on one of my songs. Okay. That song. That was the last time that I heard from Q. Because he said I should send my email that I would get the verse. That's like 1 year ago.
But when you call that, post.
So there's something happened. You went on your Instagram to post my picture and say my G is alive.
Yeah, the chop talking.
Like me and you just talk finish. Like how? Why? From where? Do you understand?
Okay. So for the last interview when you come out studio, you make when you speak about Mohbad, you talk say we never do a song together. So why that song don't make your album?
It was supposed to be on the album because this question plenty people don't ask.
Yeah.
Me. I reached out to his team and they said they have to get justice for Mohbad
before they clear out.
Yeah, before I can clear that song. A lot of people just like to talk. They wouldn't know what is behind it.
Yeah, I know. Say clearing.
If you feature someone, you have to clear that song.
Yeah.
Except
drop
if
and go
person
pull
just
down.
want do wee. Do you understand? Except say that person just want, don't worry.
So you reach out to Mohbad team and they tell you say they need to get justice first.
Exactly. Like I cannot release song. Like I cannot release that song now until they get justice.
Justice for Mohbad.
Yes,
so now why
I can
not
release
make
it
the
later.
album?
Do you understand? Maybe after everything
don't do.
So
I don't know if you go there of necessity for you to make mention of the few individuals when you be reached out to within this year when they prepare for this album when not agree.
I'm not going to. I don't want to mention anybody.
Because the old ladies will mention name.
Yeah, so the old ladies will mention name. Yeah. God bless you for saying that. But I don't want to mention name because.
And some of all these people post your RIP.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, they posted my RIP. Now.
People when reach out to made a day part of your body of work.
But I was supposed to be on the album, posted RIP. But why that Q didn't pay me? I said it. Some people they say, hey, Kiniko. They even drag me, say, person we wish you well. We post say you dey alive, Kiniko, na you can't attack. But
when you really dey alive and reach out to him.
1 year ago, I begged him for a verse. He didn't do that verse. Till date. How am I your G now all of a sudden?
Because you don't die.
It's like that way they do things, gone, did not post.
So hey, I remember you had a good relationship with Ivu Zlatan. Yeah, so why not be part of the album?
That's my best friend now.
Yeah. We actually do a joint.
Zlatan will be say I go in house, me do one song. Zlatan told me that now EP we go do that mainland to island. Yeah. It was Zlatan's idea. I went to his place to go and record one song. It was Zlatan that said his EP that would do. That mainland to island, it was Zlatan's idea.
Okay.
You understand? So me, I'm not the kind of person that would just say, see, if I say one person do something, Baba, you do them. I'm not the kind of person that make things up. If you do, just the same way I'm talking about Zlatan now. Do you understand? Like, if you do them, I go talk them now. That's why a lot of people don't like me, because me, I go talk them as it be. Is it that I'm saying it, or most of the time it's on my song. It's there. You understand? Okay. Now, why a lot of people, they always look me like this one. Ask anybody. The only problem they have is that I talk.
You they talk. But this new Oladips now, this big bet, you go see they talk.
Small Ogba still dey.
I don't know if you're your manager, but the manager they shake it.
Small Ogba still dey, but actually in a way that we can still
be friends.
You understand? Okay. Before Oladips no send anybody, Papa, or like because me, I be introvert normally. I know they link up. I know they
go out.
I know they go out. I know, so it's like if you say you don't want to follow me talk again, Baba, I'm good. Even if you're not talking to me, if you're not, because in the first place I'm not even linking. The only thing is that you will not give me verse, you will not give me chorus. But I can still do it myself.
So why you not feel say, because I tried raising the foundation of why people go decline collabo with you. Why you not facing that? Because say you be introvert on a norm, you know they really relate with them. I make when you reach out to them, they be like, okay, sure, you know, why be saying now you remember me?
Yeah.
When you know they normally roll with me.
See, me too, say, because I feel like something where you they follow person chats and one-on-one they different. Like if they follow person chats and you meet that person one-on-one, the conversation they different.
They different.
Do you understand?
True.
So I feel like maybe it would have been better even if me self they go out. They meet this person one-on-one, say, bro, today where I catch you like this, I will collect this. Do you understand what I'm saying? So I feel like me self get my own fault on
that side.
So it's not like everybody no give me verse. Maybe I just needed to
because
go out and meet some of them.
Because I don't think I'm in the midst of artists where they go meet for club. And they do like 3 or 4 bottles.
Yeah, like Baba from here we go studio.
We go studio. The next thing they go record 1 song, 2 song, 3 song and the rest. So these new ladies right now go become extrovert. I'll be go still be introvert.
But I go they come out small. I'll just it's a process.
Small, okay.
I'm not going to rush in.
Okay.
Yes.
So right now, for inside this 17 track album, Superhero Adugbo, why you even end up with that name? Then there's also a song, Die Young. Why you take record that song?
That song is a year plus old.
Okay.
That song is a year plus old. A lot of people don't know. They feel like and music is
spiritual.
Very spiritual. Everything that happened, I'm even looking at it from a different perspective. Because if you sit down and listen to my album from track 1 to 17, you will understand that maybe this is how God wanted this to happen.
Everything to happen. But the whole controversy of death.
Do you understand what I'm saying? Because I'm not going to blame anybody that don't believe my story or anything is scam, because it actually looks somehow. It looks like, if you listen to the album, you would think that, okay, he's trying to,
because
the artistic part of this is the best way to promote that album. So I understand if anybody no believe. That's why I said maybe God just, because everything just I'm good, bro. Like, I'm good, regardless of whatever anybody wants to say. I'm good.
But right now, the success of this album right now, they're amazing with the streaming numbers. When I don't see across all platforms, and I think this is not the first time you drop body of work and everywhere boss scatter. You get me? So I go understand when you talk, say, bless, say God just want me everything happen the way.
Probably God just he paused my. I feel like God paused my heart for some minutes, for some hours, for this thing to just manifest. Be like this. You understand? Like, to just happen. Like, okay. Honestly.
Okay. So inside this 17-track album right now, which one be your favorite? Because I say I must ask you, because when trying to pick song of,
we talked about this already.
You never make up your mind. But which one get the highest streaming numbers though?
I've not even checked.
You never check your back end,
bro. I've not even checked. I don't even care about numbers. Right. That's the funny. That's one thing that people don't even know about me. Okay. Yeah, I don't even care about. Okay, plus I was not even sick. I just wanted to get better. Shaping a person where they are alive, they know, so I did number 1 or I did number 2. Do you understand what I'm saying? Even all this number 1 where I did post, it was then like the number 1 again. Do you understand what I'm saying? But I could still post my wins regardless, because it was not edited, it's real. These numbers are real. Like, I actually did this.
So if you say that your if not be your death is for never make that number 1.
It's possible now. Though I have a great album. First of all, I have a great body of work. You understand? I know what I did on that album. So anything could have, I don't know. I don't know what God had in plan, or like I said before, I just feel like this is just how it's. I'm not going to go back and say, well, what if? There's no what if or but. It has happened. It has happened already. You understand? This is how God wanted it to be.
And they move forward right now.
Move forward from there.
Okay. Okay. So anyway, go stream Superhero Adugbo right now. They're available on top of streaming platform.
And I don't have favorite. My favorite they always change.
I think you need to. Okay. When be the last time? Which one you get as favorite last time?
The last one was Wabila. I think that's track 4.
Track 4 of for you right now, because you never even know which one.
I think I'm still on Wabila.
So if you want to do an official video right now, which you go for?
I think the first one I would like to shoot
Superhero
Adugbo. Yeah, that kind of like explains. That's why I said it just get as that album be. I feel like God just know. Now God write everything. Say may you just be like.
And I need to write your song yourself.
Yeah, I wrote every single song.
100%.
I did most of the backups myself. You understand? Me and my guys, we say they no be musicians. I will just tell them this is what. I will just show them the lyrics. Sing them like this. I promise you. So to now come back and be seeing all these numbers is a blessing. It's a blessing in disguise. Like wow, because that album was recorded with pains, tears, blood. If you listen from track 1 to 17, you would know that.
So that thing when be the wrong with you, when the health issue when be they get, or be mental issue when be they get, you don't deal right now. You still there?
I'm still on drugs. But not drugs.
Drugs, okay. Not the normal medical drugs, native drugs. More they talk on native drugs because they work actually, Okay.
I mean, I don't know if it's allowed on radio. That's what I'm trying to censor myself.
Okay.
Bro, I be bile.
Yeah. So you still deal on that right now? I'm
still using I still deal on medication.
Okay.
Do you understand? So well, I'm good.
You are good.
I'm good.
We thank God. Say you did back and you did better. So more expect the better version of Ola Dives. So certainly would expect video to when video to Superhero Adugbo when?
Superhero Adugbo maybe late December or early January.
Early January. That's probably next year, right?
Because right now I'm just trying to put the team together and everything, so that this kind of thing not go happen again. You understand? I'm not proud of what happened. I wouldn't lie to you.
Okay.
But at the same time, I'm not going to sit down and be sulking and be crying.
Over waiting to happen already.
Life goes on.
Okay.
Regardless.
So also, I not really know, because you post something say, Tunde and when post say you die, you reach out to Rana, you know. So why? If you just explain what really transpire between you and
Tunde.
So
what happened was, so my brother showed me a lot. Like Tunde is someone that I always message him like, The only time that he has ever posted me was when I released Ajala Travel, and I paid for the post.
Okay.
That was the only time. So after that, I always message and say, please post me. I sabi rag. They send down my content, like my freestyles.
Freestyle when they do.
They reply, they talk anything. So it got to a point that we started talking. So after everything that happened, my brother showed me that they're not posted the user catch numbers. I can't DM and
that's your death news. You
post well. Do you understand? So I can't message and say, hey, man, say, I see everything, Sha. But it's going still. Like, I'm not angry, it's fine. But I beg, how we go?
Do this matter.
Like, how we go? Post. Let people know that I'm actually talented. Let your fan base know. Make you know, be like, say, now just they set me up for
dragging.
Only dragging. Let them know that he's also talented. They can drag me, it's fine. It's okay. But let them know that he dropped an album. He's also talented.
Okay.
So it now got to a part where I was like trying to negotiate. Like, I don't know how much
the price
now, but I'm just trying to tell him that, please.
But during this time when the message and the reply you, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
So it was when I now said, price. I don't know, maybe, of course, today I know it will be a very busy person. I will be busy because obviously now popular guy and everybody wants to be on his page and all that. So, but that was the last message that he replied to.
So after your offer
so it was
to pay on the price?
Day. Yeah, it was the second day. So I was telling him yesterday that I will go push my career. Now why that didn't pay me? Do you understand? Because I was talking about now don't post me say can you come prank?
But now my career.
What about my career? Let's talk about my career. Like how people go know say this boy is actually talented. Like his album is madness. Do you understand? So
you not can reply
again. So the second day I can't see news say can you allow this guy
he can't post your news.
Post that one for free.
Okay.
I'm a human being now.
I told him.
So he actually called me,
Yeah, because after you don't call Chain, say
I told him like Egbon, I was not chasing cloud too, and I was not joking. No. I did express because that's how me I am. Like I will tell you, like this is how I'm feeling. If you are not going to talk to me again, it's fine. I will tell you that, bro. No, that thing that I posted, I was not joking. No, like it's the one that I'm joking. I will say, bro, and it was a joke. Okay. That's how me I am. I will tell you. I told him that that thing pay me.
That's after you call and I think I'll call you.
Yeah, he called me.
Okay.
He called me like the second day.
Okay.
And we had like
a long talk. Look, I know say you do another video.
So me and today we are best friends now.
You don't post your work now since
not yet, but
you never make payments for that.
Yeah. No. The funniest thing is, like at the end of the conversation, he promised me posts.
Okay, free of charge.
Yeah. I swear. He promised me posts.
Okay.
Because me, I was just telling him my mind. I let him understand.
So you cannot post my desk free of charge.
Yeah,
not gonna post anything about my career.
With your name, like I was not chasing clout too. Like this thing pay me. Like I be human being.
You
like,
feel
this is my career. This is everything that I do with my life.
Yeah.
Music is everything. When I wake up in the morning, that's the first thing I'm thinking of. When I want to sleep is music. 247 is music. So don't play with me. Don't joke like that. don't joke like that. You understand?
Okay. I see.
But we're cool now. They even give me some connects right now.
Oh.
That's the funniest part. You understand?
Today they assist you right now.
I swear, they give me some contacts right now.
Oh, cool.
That's why I'm good.
It makes sense. So last life, the one left from you now. Speak out to if they do you anyhow, so that may your help.
Yes, now I'm not grief for anybody.
Okay.
Speak out to talk. I don't hear.
Oladis. Anyway, we don't know young with Oladis since then we don't talk about the superhero Adugbo 17 track album. Go check them out. Not only one feature day for some certain reasons which in the state already. So go stream right now.
Shout out to Trod. I was the only boy that came through.
Oladis brother.
That Green's
brother. Sorry, that Green's
brother. Yeah, he came like midnight, like night. He stayed overnight to record that verse.
Verse for you.
So I cannot pull out that. That was the only person that came through
for you.
For me. So big shout out to him, man.
Okay. Anyway, thanks for stopping by. I know you get another waka in the next 1 hour. I don't know if you get any other message you need to drop to your fans, your disciples. Because I know they're this strong on top of your movement.
Shout out to disciples, D4L. Keep supporting me and go and stream that album. Stream Superhero Adugbo. Emma Jello. Disturb anybody.
A quick one, relationship wise. It be like you get serious girlfriend at a point. Yeah. So what can happen?
Don't break up.
Since when?
Like a year plus now.
Okay, and since then I never move into any other relationship. Why? Any reason for that? Because you're not the old, you're not the young again. You're old every day. Like
why they attack me?
I know your age. So what are you waiting for? Come and join me. I'm married.
I have a child, even though I'm not married yet.
Yeah.
I have a child, so.
Wait, I know about that one. Yes.
I have a daughter. I have a 2-year-old daughter. She's the executive producer of
this album. Yes. Now from that your girlfriend. Now from that your girlfriend when you break different person. Okay, but you plan to settle down soon. Cause I think you need all the love around you right now.
Right.
Yeah.
Right.
Yeah.
I did get love from my mom.
I know, but
my family, my friends.
Yeah.
I mean, some of them, not all of them.
Okay.
Because me, it's like,
it's
all good. Me, I have a very big heart. Like, it's like, if you do nice things to me, I love you already. Like, I feel they tell you my secret. No. Okay. Eventually, they really pay me.
They pay you.
Yeah.
But you go still give relationship or love a chance now married, right?
I mean, if I meet someone that makes me feel, I mean, like my past relationship, you understand? Because it gets, if you're in love,
that one's serious, so because I know now they work out together.
I was in love. We even came here together.
Yes, I remember now. I say, "Oh, this carry a girlfriend."
We came here together. Yeah. So I was actually in love. I was in love.
Now your first relationship break have been how?
My fault. Me, I know they lie. It was my fault.
Why you not try to amend things now?
Very good girl.
She don't marry now?
No, I don't know. Because she know they stay in Nigeria.
Nigeria, don't meow.
America, she they stay.
Well, if opportunity there for you and her to amend things because of the love we also get, is there a possibility of that happening?
I don't mind though. She's a very great
person. Why you not reach out to her?
I did. I don't reach out.
This new reborn or like this will be the old one.
Even the old one did. This new one did too. I don't know. Maybe she don't add enough of my wahala.
Okay.
Everybody gets.
I like the fact you agree say you get wahala. So what I told this morning, some people not get relationship because they get trouble, they get any behavior. All this is one of them.
I'm one of them.
Anyway, thank you for stopping by once again. We hope to hear more success story from you. Yeah. I don't know if you said the Grammy Award because that's almost. Everybody dream right now if you reach there because this album be like say go far the way they look already with the numbers when they are mass already. But wish you success. We hope to see more visual and more songs from you by next year. You do open for shows right now?
Yeah.
You do open for collabo too?
Yes, I am. I'm back to work.
Back to work right now.
I don't know any other thing.
Music be your business, right?
I don't get any other work.
So which means and platform to reach out to you? I know say they work on your management. You don't get new manager now.
I mean they manage myself for now. That's my brother, my PA.
Okay. Now Rashid Abi.
Yes.
Now you Rashid. Where you go? Okay.
The one that drove me home.
Your real brother, Gong. Or now just your brother, street brother.
See, this one don't turn my
brother.
Family.
Okay.
Don't worry.
Okay. So if they want to reach out to you now, how they fit to reach out to you? Because December night we do right now.
So I think maybe as I leave here, I could try put my email in my Instagram. For your bio. Because nothing actually did. I deleted everything. Do you understand? Like I cleared some kind things. My personal life gone now, bro.
Yeah.
But it's all good. So to reach out to me, maybe send me a DM and I will try and put an email.
What if you reach out to?
Yeah, Oladips of Life on Instagram, Twitter. Where again?
On top.
I think I'm on Facebook.
No, you can't.
Or at least Instagram and Twitter. Oladips of Life. Yeah, David Chebu there, and I'll put the email. Okay. I'll put the email today.
Then you also open for collabo.
Yes.
At least since people not agree me you feature them, you give people opportunity to feature you, right?
Course, yeah.
Okay, so if you reach out, Oladips
of Life.
Of Life on top Instagram.
On top Instagram and Twitter.
Okay, thank you very much. So this is now another song when in pick by itself. Ani. What do you mean of that?
Means like rich and famous.
Rich and famous.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Of the same superhero Adugbo Abon. Okay, we'll sign out with that right now. Thank you for stopping by once again.
Thank you.
Okay, one love. We there with you, no man.
Yes,
I'm a different breed. I'm king of rap. I'm a lawyer.